This is the final slide in the upper level admin orientation. And although all of these slides are useful all the way up and down the orientation, but from a report's perspective, we want to understand this GEC, the GEC system. So again, you can think of this green area as language training like CEFR, and you can think of this upper blue section as the content and language integrated package. This is the CLIL. Now, if we're having the students study academic materials using the English language, then the skills at this level will suffer if they have poor skills at this level, right? It's kind of an obvious statement. If they have poor language skills and they're studying in academics in the target language, these will suffer. Actually, the language skills are foundational to the academic skills. Now, even more foundational is C down here, study skills. If the students have poor study habits, then that's going to negatively impact their language uptake, right? And that in turn will negatively impact their academic skills. So in this case, study skills are more foundational than language skills. And the final step in this analysis here is that attitudes and motivations are even more fundamental than study skills. And these are largely socio-psychological paradigms down here. And we're dealing with social skills basically when we're at this level. And in further orientations, we can give you some deeper insight into what we mean by social skills. It's some very specific performance tracking that we do inside GEC to address or to assess attitudes and motivations. But listen, if a student's attitude or motivation is poor, then their study skills are going to suffer, clearly. And so this becomes the most foundational skill. And GEC tracks very carefully all 4 of these skills levels, because they might have good motivation and good study skills, but they start struggling in language skills. We know that we need to focus here. But if they have poor language skills and poor study skills, but they have good motivation, we know we need to focus here, you see. So the more careful approach to student skills assessment gives us more power and more granularity in dealing with student performance deficits.